Personality type. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and say that you have to be the most outgoing person in the room and rah-rah sales and love selling and doing all that stuff and just everybody loves you and you're the loudest and you touch people the most when you talk to them and you use your hands like I do. You do not have to be like that. But your personality, you cannot be quiet and you have to be willing to get in uncomfortable situations. Now, a lot of technical salespeople have an engineering degree or are engineering minded. Now, just going out there and saying a majority of engineers are somewhat quiet and reserved. That will not work in sales. You don't need to be the quiet and reserved person. Now, you don't have to be outspoken and loud and in your face, but you do have to be able to be confident when you're nervous. You have to be able to push through that, remain confident, be willing to get that experience. You have to be outgoing to the point where you're basically talking to people every day. Whether it's on the phone, video conference call, or in person, you need to be able to talk. If you hate talking on the phone, if you hate talking to people, this is not the job for you. Most likely that's not the case because otherwise you wouldn't want to get into sales. It's not all about money. While salespeople do typically make the most money in an organization and it's the highest paying department, it's about being able to communicate clearly with people and not feeling uncomfortable when doing so. Because if you're uncomfortable, you're not going to enjoy it. And if you don't enjoy it, you're not going to last a long time. And when you wake up in the morning, you're not going to be like, let's go, let's pound some pavement and knock on doors. And I really want to push and try and get these sales done and super motivated. And you're going to send those emails and make those cold calls and all that stuff. You're not going to want to. You're just going to be like, oh, another day doing this. I absolutely hate it. So the personality, it does matter. It's not a huge thing to overcome as long as you're willing to work through those insecurities or work through rejection, then that's all that you need. But if you hate talking to people, if you hate talking on the phone, then this isn't going to be the right job for you.